morning, students. Today we shall start a new poem, that is Topsy Turvy Land. It is written by H.E. Williamson. Okay, so shall we start one activity? An activity is here that think of an imaginary place which is very different from the one in which you live in now. Means you can compare any different, you can speak any different place name or any imaginary town. You can share with me through audios that is different, which is now. So describe the things that would be different in this place where you are living. That place is different from that imaginary place. Okay, so discuss this with you can discuss with your friends also, with me also through audio. I will wait for your audio, right? So you can see this is a picture as it is shown differently, right? So see, the people walk upon their heads, the sea is made of sand. The children go to school by night in topsy-turvy land. So बच्चे, we are talking about particular land, particular place where people walk upon their heads. Oh wow, it's such an amazing thing is happened there, because usually we walk upon our feet, but here in this place it's different. People walk upon their heads. So you can see picture, people walk, or children are here, or some people are here upon their heads. Oh wow, such a wonderful thing. The sea is made of sand, but usually sea is made of water. Okay, the children go to school by night. My God, but the children usually go to school in the morning, right? But here by night. Such a different thing in topsy-turvy land, right? So here one more paragraph. Second, the front door step is at the back. You are walking when you stand. You wear your hat upon your feet in topsy-turvy land. The front door, we are talking about our front door. When we enter in any room, you can imagine that we entered from the first or front door. But here people step forward from the back door. So such a different thing, unique thing. You are walking when you stand. This is also strange thing. When you are walking, you can imagine you stand. When you stand, you are walking. It's such a different, and again it's an imagine thing, different thing. You wear your hat upon your feet. We usually wear a hat on our heads, but here upon feet. Such a different thing. Again in topsy-turvy land. How the different topsy-turvy land described by poet Williamson, right? So you pay for what you never get. I think it must be grand. For when you go, you are coming back in topsy-turvy land. My God. The buses on the sea you will meet, while pleasure boats are planned to travel up and down the streets of topsy-turvy land. One more example I want to share with you. Here, look at the picture very carefully, that two children are in a boat. Oh wow, but carefully see, they are on the road. Boat and road. Buses on the sea you will meet. Buses on the sea isn't a strange thing. One more thing, it's a strange thing, a different thing we can say, because buses travel on roads. Here, buses travel on the sea. While pleasure boats means funny boats. When we want some fun and relax, then we usually used for relaxation, for fun, pleasure boats. Okay, I planned. But boats on the roads? My god, such a strange thing, different thing. To travel up and down the streets of Topsy Turvy Land. And buses travel up and down the streets? No. Travel only boats over here. Okay, pleasure boats are travel up and down the streets of Topsy Turvy Land. So, you pay for what you never get, and you pay for what you never get. Again, one strange thing in Topsy Turvy Land, that, for example, when you give money for buying one chocolate to the shopkeeper, okay, and shopkeeper never give you back anything. So, I think it must be grand. It's a wonderful thing, it's a strange thing. For what you go, you are coming back. When you go, oh my god, it's opposite thing has happened. Opposite. In Topsy Turvy Land. When you go forward, you feel that you are coming back. In Topsy Turvy Land, all the things which are happened, which are you have seen in this poem, they all are differently done. By each and every line, it shows from beginning to ending. So here are some word meanings. Topsy turvy. Topsy turvy means upside down, means opposite, like in this picture. Upside down means head are on the land and it should be over, upon. So the people are upon their heads. So it is strange thing. That's why poet used this word. Pleasure boats. Pleasure boats means the boats which are used for fun or for feeling relaxation, for enjoyment. We can say the pleasure boats. Okay. Only for these are made for the enjoyment of the kids. Grand means a wonderful thing. Okay, wonderful. Grand means a biggest or a wonderful. Okay, these are the, I think, word meanings which I found difficult in this poem. So today we have done one poem, we discussed one poem, Topsy Turvy Land. Hope you understood, and you will recite at least 2-3 times, okay, for the better understanding of each and every word's pronunciation. Thank you so much.